There are two levels of item unit of measure in point of sale. The first one is a single unit of measure. We're going to go to the preferences. So we'll go File, Preferences, Company Preferences, and then we'll go to the inventory page and then to the unit of measure. And here is where you can have your different units of measures. For example, a candy store might define units of measure of ounces and pounds. So we can put ounces in here, and then pounds. Let's say that you use multiple units of measure to purchase and sell items by different units. So let's say you purchase an item by a case, but you sell it by the bottle. Or you buy in bulk, but sell it by the pound. Select the I want to set up multiple units of measure checkbox on this page to enable the feature. Let's click Save. Then let's add an item, and here you see then on the item record you can define a base unit of measure and up to 3 alternate units that you buy or sell by. Each unit of measure can have a different UPC code, alternate lookup value, and sales price, allowing you to list any of the units of measure on documents. You can also specify your default purchase and sell by units. If the multiple unit of measure feature is turned off, you still retain the single unit of measure capability. In the next video, we will show you how to set up multiple units of measure.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.